We are back for our class of Unreal Engine 5, and in this class, we're going to learn how to use the Quixel bridge, okay? That already comes with Unreal Engine 5, okay? We're going to use this now because in the next class, we're going to talk about foliage, okay? That is a tool inside Unreal that is used to distribute vegetation. Paint the grass, paint the surroundings, the trees, uh, as forest pack of 3D Studio Max, for example. Okay. Well, basically, in the last class, you saw a time lapse of adjustments that things that were done here in our project. Okay. We just updated some textures. We put some variation of reflections. We worked on the leather of the couch. We put some lights, artificial lights, for example, this place here, here as well. We adjusted a little bit the floor, the wood texture as well. We put, for example, the curtains, okay, as you can see. What else? Oh, actually, in the animation class, we're going to learn how to put curtains that are gonna be animated. For now, let's keep it like this, okay? Because I don't think it's necessary to animate them now, the curtains. Here it makes sense if we animate the curtains there. Yeah. Well, basically in the last class, we updated the project. We did adjustments, corrections, and we put some other elements. Okay, but nothing so different that we were seeing. Okay, so let's go. Let's bring some elements of Quixel for our project by using Quixel Bridge. That is a plugin that is already installed in Unreal Engine 5 by default. That is gonna relate the website of Quixel and Unreal Engine 5. For example, you are the user of Unreal Engine 5. You have access to the assets of Quixel for free. Okay, you just have to use your login, and you can access the website. All right, that is the one that you created when we were downloading Unreal Engine. To access Quixel Bridge, you click here, Quixel Bridge. When you click here, you're gonna see this, basically the website. This plugin here is gonna do the talking between the website and the Unreal Engine 5. Okay, so you're gonna select the object and it's gonna transform the object into asset. All right, and you're gonna be able to use inside your project. If you have an account with Epic Games, you can log in. All right, this way you have access to the assets in a free way. Okay, it's free for users of Unreal Engine. We have the main menu here. Okay, as you can see, we have 3D assets, 3D plants, surface, decals, imperfections. All right, in assets, 3D assets, you have basically the assets like a building, food, nature, props, street. Okay, you have assets that were made with photogrammetry. Okay, actually all the assets of Quixel are based on photogrammetry. Okay, you can take to Unreal Engine, you can create your scenario. Okay, so you have a lot of objects here that you can use to put in your scene. Besides, you can select them for here. Okay, for the type of object. Besides 3D assets, you have the 3D plants. Okay, they're segmented. Okay, like all these type of plants. All right, it's very organized. Okay, you have surfaces. There are basically the materials. They are done already. You can download them and you can learn how to use them. okay? We're gonna do this together, okay? We have the decals that are basically stickers, let's say, okay, that you can put in your scene, okay, to bring, for example, imperfections, to bring, for example, imperfections on the concrete, to simulate a rock, a door, okay, or something like that, okay. The marks of blood, the dirty, okay. So you can simulate a lot of things with this, okay. We can take a little of this so that we can learn how to use this. Okay, so let's get started. Let's take an asset to there that we can take. Let me access here. We can take, let's see, a rock. Let's see. Let's see here. Let's take a rock here. Rock. Yeah, I think it's a good idea. Let's see. This rock. Let's see. Select this, for example. Okay. We log in our account. In my case, I'm gonna sign in with Epic Games. Okay. All right. If you don't have an account, go to the website of Epic Games, create your account, and you can have access to the Quixel, the assets of Quixel, in a free way. Okay. All right. Nice. It's done. Okay. Select the rock. Here we have a picture of this, an image. Look, basically the size, we have the size here, but we can increase or decrease, okay? This object is closed, okay? You can use this in 360 degrees, okay? Let's see. And here you can choose the type of quality. If it's high quality, low quality, nanite, okay? You can choose it. I suggest you to take like nanite, okay? Because it's gonna take with the most possible amount of polygons, and it's gonna take to Unreal Engine optimized and transform it into nanite, okay? You can, for example, take it with high quality, but in high quality, it's gonna go with a lot of polygon count. And we saw in the optimization class that if you have objects with a lot of polygon count, you have to find ways to decrease, okay, this. For example, by using LOD, that is that system that if you move away, the polygon count is gonna decrease. If you get closer, the polygon count is gonna increase, okay? So more quality as you get closer and less quality as you move away. But nanite can make it possible to count a really huge amount of polygons without a really strong impact in your scene. This way you can use more repetition, okay, of assets. So if in this case of this rock that's not gonna have deformity in the mesh, we can use nanite. We can replicate more this object there, and we're not gonna have a huge impact, okay, in our scene. So you can download this. All right, it's gonna start downloading. All right. After you finish this, you click in add, okay. Nice. The download has finished. Let's just add this. When we click in add, Unreal is creating for us a folder in Quixel, okay. Let's see, I'm gonna take it to the other monitor for a while, okay. window, content browser. Look at this. Look at this. So Quixel and Unreal created a folder called Megascans. Inside this, we have 3D assets and the geometry here that we selected. Okay, by clicking here, double click on it. Let's verify it's with the night. Look, it's a geometry of 1 million triangles. It's really heavy. Look, a lot of information here. It's really heavy, but the night was already created automatically. Okay, let's just take to the scene. Let's verify if it's with the night lit. The night visualization, clusters. Let's take a look. Nice. Yeah, it is already in the night, with the night. So let's take it there to our external area. Here, content, Megascan, 3D assets, right here. Let's decrease a little the scale of this. Okay, yeah, that's good. Here, let's see, a little less. Yeah, let's see. I think we can put another one here. Yep. Let's see the reference. Okay. Let's see. Look at this. All right, we're looking from this position. Let's see, 2 rocks. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Okay, so this way we can bring the geometries. Look, it was on the other monitor. Okay, let's get it back here. Let's take a look. Let's bring now. Let's see if we have related assets here. All right, I think that can be this one. Let's see. No, it's different. So let's take this. All right, it is already as the night. Let's download this and let's send to Unreal. Okay. All right. Nice. Downloaded. Okay. Let's add this. I'm gonna put in the other monitor. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, we got it. It's here, right here. Static mesh. Let's see if it's in the night, with the night. $2 million triangles as the night. Plus 16,000 and 11,000 there. Okay. Let's take to our scene. Obviously, it's bigger, but we can decrease the scale. It's okay, it's fine. And let's put it here as we did with the others. Let me see if we have more. It's like this, I guess. All right, like a triangle. Look, like a triangle of rocks, the design. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, nice, it's cool. Let me increase a little bit. Okay, increase here as well. here as well. Nice. I think that's cool. All right, but I think it's kind of big, so let me decrease just a little. Okay, let's see. I can rotate like this. All right. Okay. That's it. Yeah, nice. All right. And to bring materials like surfaces, it's the same way. Let's now, instead of assets, uh, let's click on surfaces. Okay. In surfaces, let's bring, look, maybe concrete. Let's see if we have a specific type of concrete that we can use, like that one. Or floor. Let's see. Let's take the concrete that we can use. I think this one, maybe. It's kind of like a square. There are some holes. Let's select. Okay. No, highest quality. I think it's gonna bring in high quality. Okay. And we can verify the size of the texture. Download this. Let's wait the downloading. And in the final, you click on add. All right. As it is a texture, the download is going to be faster. And after you do the downloading, you won't have to do it again unless you're going to do this in another project. Okay. But instead of like doing the download again, you can migrate to another project. Okay. Let's add here. All right, I'm gonna take to the other monitor now. Control plus space. All right, look. Besides 3D assets, we have surfaces. Look, concrete. Yeah, material was created. Let's take it to this wall. To this wall that we have this light here. We can test. All right. Details. Let's put it here. Nice. We applied. Yeah. Okay. Look, we have here information of normal. Let's open a material and see some parameters. The materials here, they are very complex, way more complex and more elaborated. So let's just focus here on the instance of the material. After we go to the master to understand the parameters. Actually, let's open it. Look, there are really complex materials. Okay. Look at this. You can see that they are really elaborated. So they are really heavy. Okay. So it's nice if you use if you be careful to use this. Okay. Use just if it's really necessary. Okay. If you think no, I need this. Okay. So yeah, that's gonna make sense to use that because that's gonna require a lot of effort from your GPU. If you have a big project, you have to be careful. There will be a lot of materials, so your GPU is gonna work a lot. So think about optimization. All right. So okay, let's see it here and let's see the adjustments. Well, basically they are very similar. I think we already know. In global, we have the angle, the rotation angle. We have all these options here. Okay, we can adjust color, all of this. The roughness, normal, specular, metallic. All right, let's increase the normal. Look at this, or we can decrease. We can adjust this. Okay. Let me go slowly because it's taking a time to update. Let's see. Let's put 2, 10. Oh, it's too much. -2, 1, 0, 0.5. Let's see. let's see, roughness. Hmm. Polished or rough? Okay. Here, let's see. All right. Let's take a look here. I think we can leave it more polished, a little more polished. Okay. Maybe, let's see. A little of reflection. Look, it has brought the albedo. Okay, we have these options. Okay, the color of the material, metallic, the specular. Let's put it in 1.5 or 1. Let's see. Okay, here we can adjust the repetition in X. Okay. Or in Y. All right. So let's put it 0.5. And okay, let's see. 0.75 and 0.75. Let's take a look. Or 1 in 1. Nice. Let's see. I think ours was better. Okay, let's get back ours. But it was okay to show you and to understand. All right, cool. Now it can be darker. Yeah, 0.6. Dark, a little more darker. Even more, I guess. Let's see. All right, 0.4. Nice. We brought the materials. Let's get back here to the Quixel. Let's search. We learned how to bring surfaces, and now you can take whatever you want here. The types of surface that you want. We have a lot of type of surfaces that you can use in your projects. Okay, so let's take now surface. We took it. Imperfections. We have, for example, dirty or scratches on the surface. Like for example, we did here. All right. Or like on the piano. All right. And vegetation. Let's take plants. That is a thing that we didn't take yet. We have the options here. Crop, climber, aquatic. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what we have here. I think we can take, let's see. Let's see in the reference the type of tree or plant, because I don't know if we really have plants specifically in our project. Let me see. Plants, maybe here. Maybe here. Let's see. I think we can bring some plants to put here. Wow. Let's take, for example, this bush. Let's see. We have these options here. I think we can take this type. Okay, we can download this and we can take to there. All right, as it is a vegetation, probably it's not with the night. Okay, there is no option of the night because the night doesn't give support, at least this year in 2022. The night doesn't give support for materials that are translucent and materials that have opacity maps. So this geometry probably has as an optimization LOD. Okay, we can verify that. Okay, let's wait the downloading and then we can verify this. Cool. Add. Let's see. Okay, let's see, it must have created the folder for us. Okay, yeah, we have the material here, the texture in 4K. It's not in 8K, so that's good, that's better. All right, it was imported in 4K. Okay, nice. Okay, we have some other things here and the geometry. Let's open the geometry and let's take a look if it already has the LOD. Yeah, it has. LOD was put. Yeah, maybe we can improve the LOD a little bit. Okay, based on the knowledge that you learned here. Okay, the wireframe. Look at this. Okay, you see, nice. So you can improve the LOD. Okay, for example, you can make it less drastic, this changing of LOD. Okay, but let's use this on our project to use an example. All right, let's put it here. I think that's gonna be good. Yeah. We can use this for now. Okay, but we can use another one. Let's see. Let's use one of the key house. That is one of the views that we have. We also have wind. Okay, let's see. It is also available in the package of palm trees. Okay, in the vis. Okay, so let's see. We can use the palm trees here. Okay. Meanwhile, let's see if we have some other elements that we can use. The Quixel bridge. Oops, it has opened here. Let's see, geometry, the vis, palm back. Okay, look, we have a lot of geometries here. Let's take these vegetations here. Okay, let's take this one as well. And yeah, that's it. The other vegetations we're gonna take after. Okay, so let's wait. While it's loading, let's see here if we have some more plant here, for example. We have to talk about decals, okay? But we're gonna talk about them after, okay? Because now I want to explain to you how to do materials. For example, if we take the materials that are done of Quixel, we're going to be able to do the reverse engineering, okay? But no, I want to create the material with you, all right? Me and you together. So we're going to create the material of the call after, okay? When, for example, we will apply the dirties and imperfections here, okay? So we can create a decal together, all right? And after we create our decal, we can download of the Quixel, okay? All right, let's see. All right, cool. Right button, remember, migrate. In this case here, I'm using Unreal Engine 4. All right, what's the place here? Piano house, content. Select this folder. All right, it's taking there. After it's gonna get there, okay. All right, I'm gonna close it here. I think we can delete this one. All right, and let's use the other one that has arrived. It is in key house, geometry, palm pack. Let's see, we have some really nice here. Let's use this one. Maybe it's too big, but let's take a look. We can verify this. Let's check. It's processing the mesh as it is the first time we are using. That's why it's processing the mesh. Okay. Nice. As we imagined, really huge, really big. But look, that's really cool. I mean, there is already wind. Okay, as you can see, the movement. All right, that's nice. It is already with LOD. Okay. It was configured. Okay. So let's select it. Select this here for the name. And let's decrease the scale. Nice, really beautiful. Yeah, with Lumen. Let's take a look. Let's see if it fits here. Let's see. Let's put it here. Let me see. It's we can invert. This one is big, so no. Let's see. Let's rotate. I think it's gonna be better here. Okay, let me see if it's gonna take. I think one is cool. Yeah, a little bigger. Let's see. Meanwhile, I think it's cool here. After we can just other things if it's necessary. Okay, yeah, beautiful. Let's take others here. There's a tree here, but we can put them here for a while. Okay, let's see if I need to compile the geometry. I double click on it. Look, lodge is already happening. Okay, it is already optimized. Nice. Let's put it here. That's too big. Let me decrease a little bit the scale. Here, let's see. Let's see. Let's wait because it's compiling. Nice. Let's decrease a little bit the scale. Here, yeah, that's really beautiful. Wow, what a beautiful thing. Oh my god. I'm really like, oh my god, that's beautiful. Look how beautiful this is. Wow. Oh my god. Let's take a look. What a beautiful. Oh my god. That's really beautiful. With the light there. Oh my god, that's really beautiful. That's it. Yeah. A camera here would be good, but we have this movement, so we can improve this. Yeah. Let's see. Decrease a little bit here. Rotate like this. Let's see. Let's bring it here. It's gonna be good. Let's see. I think that can be a little bigger like this. All right, nice. Okay, it's beautiful with the looming. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my god, that's really beautiful. What do you think about it? I love it. Mm, look, let me put it like this, a little bigger, like this. Wow, that's beautiful. This image is beautiful. Control plus 8. We brought the window back for us. Yeah, that's wonderful. Let's bring it one more light here. Okay. Let's see. Right here. Okay. Let's see. So that we can mark. Look. Oh my god. Look. Here. Let's see. Let's go here. Let's change the temperature. Let's put 3000, 3500. Let's, or not. Let me see. Let's change the shadow a little bit. A little less blur. Let's see. Yeah. Beautiful. Wonderful. Wonderful. Oh my god. Really wonderful. Let's take the sunlight off. Look at this. Let's change it a little bit. It's too strong. Let's decrease the intensity a little bit. 10,000. Let's see. 10,000. It looks better. Let's take a look. No, I think it can be a little more stronger. Let's see. I think, yeah, I think it's okay. 7,500. Let's see. Control plus 8. Okay. Yeah, we got everything back. All right, let me see. I think that's it. 7,500. It almost doesn't appear during the day. So to appear, we need a lot. Yeah, 35,000 to appear during the day, or even more. 350,000. Yeah, to appear. Okay, let's leave it like this for now. Cool. Yeah, okay. Let's close this class now, all right, where we talked about the Quixel bridge. Okay. Let me get back this screen here. So we understood that we can download and we can send directly to our project without a lot of like difficulty. Okay, you just access the Quixel bridge. You sign in using your Epic Games account, and that's it. All right, because we're gonna talk about it after. That is when we get the moment to use the imperfections. Okay, we're gonna create, and after we get here to do the download, with then done. Okay, now you can play a little bit with your scene And that's it. We're gonna see each other in the next class. See you. Nice, guys. So we're back here for our class of Unreal Engine 5, where we're gonna talk about other ways to get features, resources of quality for Unreal Engine for free. Okay. Another place that we can use is the marketplace of Unreal Engine. Let's access here Unreal Engine on Google Marketplace. Okay. Unreal Engine Marketplace. Okay. That is the website of the market of Unreal. Okay. Here you can find all types of products related to Unreal Engine, scenes assets, okay, that you have to pay, or free assets, or codings, free codings, materials, illumination, particle simulation. Here you can find a lot of things that you can use in arranging inside your project. Okay, all the products here are checked by Epic Games. Okay, about quality, about organization. Okay, do you remember in the classes of organizations that we talked about layers, nomenclatures? So all the products here, they have a pattern. Okay, so that's gonna be easier for us to work. So in the main menu, you have here of arranging. Specifically, we are here in Marketplace, Browse. Perfect. Now we are here at the same place. What we have here? Well, Home. Basically, Browse. You're gonna see the types of product that you want. For example, 2D assets, animations. Okay, and all of this, plugins, environments, content. You have all of this. For example, if you put it here, click on it. Let's see. We have here some assets. Okay. Couches, furnitures, decoration. Obviously, some of them you have to pay. Okay. And others are free. Okay. Let's get back to Home here. In Home, we have some products that were put recently, okay, in Home, and some other products that are, for example, on sale, like 50% off, okay, or something like that. Okay, here inside Epic Games, we have a lot of different products, okay, like 100% off, like 50% off, some free products, okay. Once in a month, uh, there is products. There are products that are free that you can download. Okay. In this case, for this month, you have these assets here of like breads, and things like this, furnitures, probably all the products of photogrammetry. Okay. You have the special discounts here, and the new things. Okay, and up here is the showcase. Okay, products that are in highlight. For example, this one, it is with 50% off. Okay, I think they are good. They look good. Yeah. Besides, you have some other things here for arranging 5 specific. Okay, you have free things. Okay, Epic Games, for example. You have cars. All right. You have buildings, characters, content. All right. You have this car here. Boats, other cars. You have a lot of things here. Okay, projects that are complete. Okay, so that you can use in your arranging. Okay, So all of this is free. Besides, you have this Megascan, Quixel Megascan, trees, grass, materials, vegetation. Okay, free for the month. That is the same that were there. We have things that are gonna be free forever. Okay, smokes. We have a lot of different things. They are really nice based on what you need. Okay, it's gonna be really useful for you. See if you access here the website. Okay, let's see. We have more things here. So we have a lot of features. Okay, a lot of different objects that you can download for free. Okay, and you can try to search some specific thing. For example, you type device. Let's see. Look, device. So you have the package of device. If you type it here, you have also products related to your search. For example, fire. Look, you have these fires that you can use. So you can find these features here. Okay. Another website that you can use to find free resources that you probably know is the website, this one, Heaven. Okay, Polyhaven. Polyhaven, actually. Polyhaven. Okay. It's this one. And this website, it's not specific for Unreal, but it's a cool website, okay, to get free resources, okay, to illuminate your project. For example, you can use for Unreal, for Corona, 3ds Max. It's free for any type of software. Okay, you can choose a HDRI. Okay, besides, you have textures that you can download, okay, in a free way. All right, I think these textures are PBR. You have diffuse base color here, the normal, ambient occlusion, the roughness. You can choose the size as well, and the models. Some models in photogrammetry. Look how beautiful this is. Look, yeah, you can download this and you can send to your project, okay, for free without any type of royalties, okay, or payment. Nice. So I'm gonna finish this class. It's a simple class, okay, just about how to find resources, okay, so that you can download, send to your project. Okay, for example, if you choose this one and you can download this, if you want, you can sponsor James, that is the artist that has made this project, okay, this thing here. So you can do the sponsor, okay, and to download, you just, you download this and that's it. Okay, so it's downloading this. This class is simple, okay, just to get to know these things that maybe you don't know this, to find these free features to use inside your project. On Quixel, for people who have Epic Games account, okay, and in the Polyhaven, for people who use Corona or other softwares, and some other features in the marketplace of Unreal that you can find. Okay, a lot of features for free and with high quality. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I'm sure you're gonna get it. Okay, the assets for your project. Okay, done. Besides, there are other websites, there are other places where you can find things for free. There is, for example, 3D Sky. Let's see, let's take a look. Obviously, 3D Sky isn't prepared for Unreal Engine. It's not optimized for Unreal Engine, but you have some good features here to use in your project. Okay, and you can filter, for example, and see the free ones. Free. Okay, you can download the assets that are free. Okay, and there are a lot of assets that are for free. Okay, obviously you have to optimize, load in the night, and then you can use in your project. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this class, and in the next class we're gonna talk about trees. Okay, so we're gonna put trees in our project. Okay, I'm gonna take some trees from the Viz, and we're gonna take to our piano house, all right, to prepare our project to the next class. That is gonna be about foliage. That is how to paint vegetation, grass by using Unreal Engine. See you.